Cinematic.
Hi guys, how you doing? It's the first show of 2024 and we're in Aura in Dundee in sunny Scotland. You probably saw, well you most definitely saw the intro for it. Cinematic! So cinematic right now. The reason being is I got a new phone and there's a cinematic mode, so it's quite fun to do that shit. I'm going to try and do a little bit more of this stuff this year because someone told me you want to see, behind the scenes stuff. Beth TM is here from InShot Media. She makes stuff cinematic! But yeah, 2024 is going to be a bit more behind the scenes, shall we say. Who is Pixel Kid? More mashups, more mixes, more remixes. More shows. More shows would be nice for 2024. 2023 was a terrible year, if I'm honest. It was an awful year, and towards the back end of the year, I'm sure people saw that I disappeared a little bit as well. Purely for like some personal reasons and professional reasons as well for the industry. 2024 is going to be good?
It will be.
It will be good.
Manifest.
Manifest. Dream, believe, live, laugh, love. What's the other ones?
Carpe diem.
Carpe diem. Fuck around, find out. But yeah, and hopefully as well, if you can figure it out in this video, there might be a little bit of an Easter egg of what hopefully things to come this year. Hopefully things to come this year. So if you can figure that out. Anyway, let's do a show.
Let's do it.
Do a show. Back in the airport, it's really weird. So I'm sat in the lounge right now doing a vlog with this on my face. As a marshal just come over to have a look at me. Yeah, wicked show last night, Aura Dundee. Back in the airport, we're both exhausted.
Still going.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
I am so cold. We're sat on the floor in the airport because there's no chairs. Beth bought me a hot chocolate because rock and roll. I bet your question, how does he drink it? I'm not going to show you. So
Osmosis.
That's it for this vlog. If you liked it, don't forget to check out the socials, Pixel Kid Official, and of course on his YouTube as well. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Hit, what's it the cool kids say? Like hit the bell.
Yeah, for notifications.
Touch my. Take care. See you soon. And vlog number 2 will be coming soon. But first, back to the studio. That sounds so cheesy.
Maybe don't put that bit in then.